SDP word order homework. All right, so what you are going to be doing with this is you need to remember what we talked about yesterday, noun and then adjective. So it literally says boy intelligent, but it means intelligent boy or smart boy. So error analysis, using your knowledge of adjective noun word order, fix the sentences using the steps below. So remember this. And it says step 1, find the mistake. So you're going to look at I'll look at the model. Here's my word right here. It says persona bajo. So I got to find the mistake. Well, I'm looking and I know that persona and bajo needs to match. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to step 2, rewrite the phrase so that it's correct. Okay, I did it. I changed it so that now baja instead of bajo. And then step 3 says write the reason why it was incorrect. So it was incorrect because just like I said a minute ago, it had the wrong ending. So I just put wrong ending. So that's what you're going to do. You're going to go to number 1, chico atrevido, and it has the at symbol. So you're going to figure out what's wrong with it. Step 2, rewrite it here. And step 3, sorry, that is an alarm saying our class was over. And then step 3, you have to explain why. So that is all you need to do. Follow these steps, look at this, remember this, and that'll help you out. Don't forget if there's an at symbol, right? There should never be an at symbol when we already know who the person is. So, and also every single one of these has something wrong with it. So there you go. That's the homework.